Hello, graphic designers. Did you know Pinterest can be your secret tool for graphic design? Today, I will show you how to use Pinterest for ideas, resources, and inspirations. Stay tuned because this could change the way you design. Pinterest is not just for recipes or wedding ideas, it is a designer's playground. You can find graphic design inspirations, great fresh ideas for social media, birthday flyer design, YouTube, logo 3D, Canva Pro, certificate design, business card, name a few, and much more. You can search on trendy colors, discover what's popular, and grab the latest color palettes to use. You can get free resources ranging from vectors to PNGs. You can find links to useful assets, both free and commercial, on Pinterest. So now, how do you find graphic design elements on Pinterest? That's exactly what I'm going to show you guys now. Firstly, here is the secret sauce to getting graphic design elements. So come over here and we'll search for what we need. So you come over here, you search for what you need, like free graphic design vectors, because on Pinterest you can see both free and commercial resources. So let's go with over here. You see 30 freebies graphic design resources, 50 free PLZ graphics for Photoshop users, and then totally free online resources, 30 free PSD. So let's click on this. You just check for the things that is most favorable to you depending on what you're searching for. Click on pins that lead to websites with downloadable resources like this one. Save your favorites. You can save them and then you can access them later. To save this, all you need to do is to click on this place and you create a board where you can save them to. So you can decide to create a board here. You name the board and then done. But here I have several board I've already created because I already have a profile on Pinterest. You can create a profile on Pinterest as well, and then you save them to any other board. You can check back later and make use of them. Looking at this is free to use. You don't need to pay. So it's not just freebies that you can get on Pinterest. You can search for vectors which are perfect for logo design illustrations. All this for logo designs. So there are two ways in which you can download this, either direct from Pinterest or you go straight to your website. To download straight from Pinterest, all you need to do is click here and then you click on download image. This will download automatically to your system or to your phone, and then you can also decide to visit the site. But then the issue there is the sites may be selling this that means this vector may not be free on the site, but then you have that opportunity to download it for free on Pinterest. All right, so you can also search for stock photos, both PNGs, stock photos, both PNG and JPG. So here, as you can see here, it's transparent, it's in PNG format. Here is in JPG format. So depending on what you're designing, you can use these stock photos for overlays, textures, or designs, depending on the kind of design you're trying to make. Let's say, for instance, if I click on this free photo, this photo is also from Free Pick. And then if I want to get similar photos to this, I can decide to use this visual search button. Once I click on this, I'll be shown other similar stock photos related to this one. So here they are, similar. So that's the work of the visual search button. So I can choose to download this just now, or I will choose to go to the external site, which is free pick. If I'm clicking on this, to lead me to the main site that has that stock photo. So here, this is let's check, let's see if this is free. Okay, so this is totally free. It's totally free. You can decide to download this right away. But then some are for commercial use, which some are not free at all. So that depends. But then if it's not free, you can download straight from Pinterest here. Alright. So next we can search on and select some flyer designs. Let's say birthday flyer designs, and here I'm going to show you how to get some other things. Birthday flyers. Okay. Alright, let's go for, let's just click on one of these ones. Let's go for this. So right here, if you don't want to do visual search to get related or similar designs, you can decide to click on explore. If you click on explore, you can get the elements the graphic designer used on that design. So let's say if I'm to crop this to a particular stuff, maybe this, as you can see, to be showing you stuffs used in the design. So in case, let's take for instance, this design has a pattern or a similar elements that you don't know how to get, you can just search. I'll use this to get that exact pattern or rhythm of design. Okay, I think this has no. Let's look for another design. Social media flyers. Social media design. So let's say you saw the design and you want to download this shoe PNG separate. You can click on this, and as you can see, you see different variety of shoes to download, both in JPG and PNG. You can decide to go for the one horizontal. Just need to reduce the size, and you see different styles. So this goes with other designs that has different elements on it, and you don't know how to get those elements. Just use the explore icon and crop to that particular element you want, and you will see you get the links to the designs. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys next how to search for Pinterest trends. You need to stay ahead of the curve of graphic designers. You need to follow up the trends. In order to do that, you need to search for the trends, designs, search for what's hot. All you need to do is to use the right keyword, like 2025 graphic design trends. This will lead you to what's hot on the graphic design space. Something like this. And then you follow up popular designers or design accounts to see what they are pinning. You can try to save any of the trends to a dedicated board that you've created. So just like this one has a video of the trends, you can watch this, and then after when you're done, you save it to any of the board you've created, which is very much easy. So Pinterest gives you the ability to even save premium files for free just by clicking on the download button like I showed you guys earlier. And then the visual search ability to get similar design, similar graphic design to what you are searching. And then you can also upload your own design by creating an account, and you come over here and click on create. So this will give you the ability to upload your file. So you can try to click here and then just lead it to your file, to your system file, where you get to choose any of your design, upload it, and then once you've uploaded, you then fill up the title, description, links, and the board you want to save the design to. And also make sure while you're filling all this, you're using keywords so that your designs can be seen once they are searched on Pinterest. So Pinterest easily exposes your design to the globe, so you don't need much stress on people discovering your designs. And then you can share your works to other pins. You can add links to your portfolio on your profile. And then this can also attract clients to you as a graphic designer. So other things you can do on Pinterest is to search for color palettes. Color palettes. As you can see ranges and different color palettes. Just click on any of them depending on the one you need. Then you can download this or you visit the website for more information. Then you can search for patterns, and repetition. So these are patterns used in graphics. And then you can also go for gradients, different mix of gradients and shadows. You can see gradient and different shadows that you can download and makes your work look more attractive. So without wasting much of our time, you can search for textures, shape, image, and photography, and much more. There are lots you can do on Pinterest. Just need to take your time, search, and make your research, download, save, and your design keeps on going. Okay. So guys, Pinterest is not just it's not a time waster. It's a treasure trove for graphic designers. Start using these tips today and watch your creativity soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you next time in my next tutorial. Bye.